Hi everyone, my name is Amulya, mechanical second year regular. My topic is about different types of wires and cables. If you go into the introduction of wires and cables, the wires and cables are very similar, but there is a quite difference between them is that wires are a single conductor or single solid one which is made up of aluminum or copper. It is used for carrying the electricity or transmitting the electricity from one place to another place within only the shorter distances, and it is used in simpler applications. But whereas a cable, which consists of two or more insulated wires bundled together and often with an protective sheath. These cables are used for transmitting power and also data in telecom sector. These cables are used for transmitting these signals and data for longer distances and in complex systems. These wires and cables transmit electricity from indoor to outdoor. That is like everything from lights to heavy machinery. The cables not only used for transmitting electricity, they also transmit the data in telecom sector. So as we need to supply the electricity at indoor and outdoor smoothly and without any interruption, we need to select the suitable one, where to use and what to use. For that, we need to know the types of wires and cables. As we go into the types of wires, there are three types: triplex wire, single stranded wire, and non-metallic sheathed wire. The first type is triplex wire. This is mostly used for overhead power distribution, and it consists of a three insulated conductor which are twisted together. One of these conductor is a neutral one, and two of them are the phase lines. The neutral one is used as a return path to the power supply, and the phase line is used to carry the current, where the return path is helps in current to balance the load. And the triplex wire is oftenly used to in utility poles to transmit the power supply to the residences and commercial buildings, where only overhead power supply power distribution is used, and it has some insulation to withstand the environmental conditions, to prevent the electric leakage or short circuits, etc. The second one is a non-metallic sheathed wire, which is also called as the Romex cable, which are made up of aluminum or copper. It consists of a multiple insulated conductors, which are two or more, which are bundled together and surrounded by a non-metallic sheath, which is PVC or any type of thermoplastic materials. These are mostly installed in indoor lightning circuits, out small appliances, etc. The disadvantages of these non-metallic sheathed wire is it is not used in outdoor and also in wet condition. It is only used in the indoor. And next one is a single strand wire, which is also known as the solid wire, which has a continuous piece of metal, like it made up of copper or aluminum. Unlike the stranded wire, this is not twisted or bended. It's not used where the flexibility and bending is mostly applied, and it's more prone to breakage because of its flexibility and bending. If you come into the types of cables, these types of cables are classified according to the type of insulating materials used. First one is a PVC insulated cable. In this, we use polyvinyl chloride as an insulating layer to protect the conductor. This PVC gives a good electrical insulation and resistance to chemicals, moisture, and abrasion, and it has wide range of applications. Second one is the rubber insulated cables. In this conductor uses the natural or synthetic rubber as an insulating layer. It provides the excellent flexibility and weatherproofing. It is most commonly used in harsh conditions. The third one is XLPE insulated cables. These cross-linked polyethylene insulated cables offer superior electrical properties, thermal stability, and mechanical strength compared to traditional PVC. These are mostly used in high voltage transmission and distribution system. The fourth one is paper insulated cables. In this uses the layers of paper as an insulating material around the conductor. This is most commonly used in underground and high voltage power transmission applications. Vulcanized rubber sheath insulated cable is a type of electrical cable with a sheath made of vulcanized rubber, providing insulation and protection to the conductors within. This cable contains one or more conductors made of copper or aluminum which carry electrical current. This material prevent the electrical leakage and short circuits. This type of cables are used in outdoor and also in indoor applications. This specific construction and insulation properties is often used in portable electrical equipment also. In cap-type sheath cables, it uses the tough rubber as the insulating material or any thermoplastic material. It acts as the protective layer for the internal conductors, as in resistance to moisture and chemicals or any physical damage, which is mostly used for the outdoor applications. In lead sheath cables, it is wrapped around a durable layer of lead, which protects the internal conductors from the corrosion, abrasion, and any mechanical stresses. It is mostly used for the underground and submarine applications. If we compare both the cap type and lead sheathed type cables, they both give an enhanced protection for the internal cables, but they use different types of materials to give the different types of advantages to the internal conductors. Whereas the cap type sheath cable gives the flexibility, distance and distance to chemicals, while the lead sheath material or let's say the cable gives the shielding against the harsh environment conditions. This weatherproof cables provides an protection against rain, snow, and other environmental events, and they maintain a reliable performance even in harsh outdoor conditions. In PVC insulation, they provide an PVC common insulating material used due to its affordability and flexibility, which provides resistance to moisture and chemicals and abrasion. Which also this PVC can be used in outdoor and indoor applications. According to the number of conductors, single conductor, which is ideal for the low power applications and the single phase circuits. In two conductor cable, commonly used for the household wiring and small appliances. In three conductor, which is used for the three phase power distribution and large equipment. A multi-conductor contains four or more than four individual wires or for used for the complex systems. The number of conductors in a cable or wire determines its electrical capacity. Choosing the right wire or cable for the application is more important. Like we need to know the voltage, current, and the environmental demands of our application. And also we have to know the flexibility. If we want a low flexibility or we doesn't want any flexibility, we go with a single stranded wire. If we need flexibility, we go with a multi-stranded, which where the cable or wire can be bent easily without any fatigue. Then we have to prioritize safety, and we have to think the long-term application where the cables can be weatherproof and can be used for the large amount of time and without any damage. Thank you.